Thank you for choosing Hard Chrome Solutions for the repair and service upgrades of your Koellmann Gearbox. Our expertise extends to all sizes and models in various industries, and we offer 24-hour emergency repairs to ensure minimal downtime. Once we receive your gearbox at our facility, our comprehensive process includes disassembling, cleaning, inspecting, and measuring all gears and shafts. Our team of experts thoroughly assesses their condition, and if needed, we have the capability to manufacture brand new gears and shafts of various types. To ensure top-notch quality, your gearbox undergoes a rigorous multi-hour test run checking for overheating, vibration, and leakage. We stand by our work and provide a 24-month guarantee on the repaired gearbox from the day of installation. By choosing Hard Chrome Solutions, you can save significantly compared to purchasing a new gearbox while receiving exceptional repair and rebuilding services. Our experienced staff, with over 100 years of combined experience, prioritizes your call and aims to provide same-day assistance. We offer free inspections, quotes, and return services, along with additional services like laser alignment, bore scoping, and vibration testing to identify the root causes of failures. Our dedicated team strives to enhance performance, power, and torque with every repair. We back our work with a 24 to 36-month labor and parts guarantee from the day of installation. Choose Hard Chrome Solutions as your preferred service provider and have peace of mind knowing our team is ready to fulfill all your gearbox-related requirements. Contact us now for prompt assistance and support. Remember to like, subscribe, and share our videos. Thank you for watching.